everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we're talking about the Queen. I'm not sure if I'm alone or what, but I feel like the producers are not giving us the vavavoom we once had during the Mabuza family time. We were hoping that the introduction of the new characters such as Sebata and his family, Nomachigiza, was going to give us something new, but the producers are letting us down. I miss Gracious Mabuza and I hope I'm not alone. Enough about that. Today guys, we're talking about Vuyiswa, who her husband Jerry Make was killed by Sebata. Vuyiswa has been through a lot, grieving for her late husband and the rape trauma. Vuyiswa really needs to move on and find someone to take care of him. According to February TSS, Vuyiswa will date Hector Sebata. The big question is, what will he do? What will she do if she finds out that Sebata is the drug dealer working together with the causes and the truth about her husband Jerry Make's death? Do you think their relationship will survive all these secrets? Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.